In this section, we introduce two popular lenses, the versatile kit lens and the professional grade 70 to 200 mm 2.8. By comparing these lenses, photographers can better understand the strengths and limitations each one offers. This knowledge helps in making informed choices based on shooting style, subject matter, and desired image quality. Exploring their differences will reveal how lens selection can impact both creative possibilities and technical results. Sharpness is a key factor in evaluating lens performance, as it directly affects the clarity and detail captured in an image. The kit lens typically offers adequate sharpness for everyday photography, but it may struggle to resolve fine details, especially at the edges of the frame. In contrast, the professional grade 70 to 200 f2.8 lens is renowned for its exceptional sharpness across all focal lengths and apertures, delivering crisp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. This difference becomes especially noticeable in genres like portrait, sports, and wildlife photography, where capturing intricate textures and subtle nuances is essential. Ultimately, the choice of lens can significantly influence the overall quality and impact of your photographs. Each lens brings its own unique strengths to a photographer's toolkit. Lenses with a broad focal length range are particularly versatile, allowing for quick adaptation from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits without changing equipment. Some lenses excel in low-light conditions or offer faster autofocus, making them suitable for dynamic scenes. When considering adaptability, zoom lenses often provide greater flexibility for diverse shooting situations compared to prime lenses, which are typically optimized for specific uses. Ultimately, the choice depends on the types of scenes you plan to capture and the level of convenience you require. Each lens brings its own unique character to photography, shaping the creative possibilities available to the artist. The quality of bokeh, or the way a lens renders out-of-focus areas, can dramatically influence the mood and feel of an image. Depth of field control allows photographers to isolate subjects or create dreamy, blurred backgrounds, enhancing storytelling within a frame. By understanding how different lenses handle these aspects, photographers can choose the right tool to match their artistic vision and experiment with new styles. Ultimately, the interplay between lens characteristics and creative intent opens up endless opportunities for visual expression. When comparing the kit lens to the 70 to 200 f2.8, cost is a significant factor. The kit lens is notably more affordable, making it an attractive option for beginners or those on a tight budget. However, the 70 to 200 f2.8, while much more expensive, is often considered a long-term investment due to its superior build quality and durability. Over time, the enhanced performance and reliability of the 70 to 200 can justify its higher price for serious photographers. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities, immediate savings, or lasting value. In summary, choosing the right lens depends on your specific photography needs and budget. Consider what subjects you most enjoy capturing, whether it's landscapes, portraits, or action shots, as different lenses excel in different scenarios. Evaluate the features and performance each lens offers, and weigh them against your financial constraints. By aligning your choice with your creative goals and resources, you can select a lens that enhances your photography experience and supports your growth as a photographer.